continue. So, part number 2, section number 2, doing Melachah during the Bein Hashemashos twilight. The Bein Hashemashos twilight is a period between sunset and the periods of the stars. 1 second. In Halachah, this time period is intermediate status. It is treated as possibly part of the day and possibly part of the night. Since the Jewish calendar, the calendar day begins at the end with a nightfall, the Bein Hashemashos period is possibly the end of outgoing day and possibly beginning of incoming one. It is forbidden to do Melachah before the sunset of one if one will benefit from it only during Bein Hashemashos. This would involve doing Melachah for what is possibly for the next day. It is forbidden to do Melachah during Bein Hashemashos for the benefit after appearance of the stars, since the Melachah would be done during what is possibly part of the previous day. So let's read again, and we're going to explain every line. So it says, one more time, doing Melachah during Bein Hashemashos. So there is, if you look at your calendar, and I advise everybody to get this calendar on the phone. Of course, you can print out. If you register, what we do, we register on the MyZmanim, and then if you register, so you can actually download the whole year, the calendar for the whole year, all of the possible numbers, whatever you need or whatever you don't need, and you can print out, and you can see when that there are like separate, like different opinions when the day starts and when the day ends. Right, and that's why you would see there's different opinions for Shema. What was the latest for Shema? Right, so because according to Magen Avraham, according to Grad, two different opinions. Okay, so and that's why. So one opinion would say it's from sunrise to sunset, which is logical, and another said from the dawn until the nightfall. So it's huge difference, huge difference, right? So that's why this Bein Hashemashos, as we said, Bein Hashemashos is a period between the sunset and the nightfall. Nightfall we consider to be, again, if you download this calendar or if you use your on your phone, so you'll see there are like 4 or 5 columns in there, right? Like how many degrees above horizon. So that's how many stars? 3 stars, 3 medium stars, just stars, big stars, and all of these things. 72 minutes, and it's very interesting. So we focusing on a time, like questionable time, from the sunset until the nightfall. So if we say that the day is continue until the night, so you maybe you can do some things on Bein Hashemashos. But if the day ends on a sunset, right, and starts a new day starts on sunset, so according to the second opinion, so you are in violation. So that's why we're trying to act strictly if possible. So of course there are exceptions, but usually we act strictly. Same laws apply to Shabbos, so exactly the same. There is no difference. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so it says so we said it's treated possibly as a part of the day, possibly part of the night, right? So that's why when you see when you look at the calendar and see what time is a candlelight, and they would say light the candles after such a time, not at this time, but after such time. So meaning before this time, you're not allowed to light the candles. I'm talking about second day, for example, right? Or in some cases in the first day also. So it is later, so we'll wait until Shavuos, for example, we wait until nightfall completely, right? But on Shabbos we light actually earlier. Shabbos we light before the sunset. 18 minutes before the sunset. Okay. Just once we say all of this. It is, so continue. It is forbidden to do Melachah before the sunset. Before the sunset. If one will benefit from it only during Ben Hashemashos, so only during this period. Why? Because maybe it's already the next day, and it looks like you prepare on the one day and to enjoy on the second day, which is forbidden. This would involve doing Melachah, or the possible the next day. Okay, exactly. It is forbidden to do Melachah during the Beit Hashemashos for the benefit after the opinion of the stars. And plus, since there are two opinions, and one say it's still the previous day, and another day, no, in another opinion said no, it's already beginning of the next day. So we're trying to act stringently, as we said, and on Ben Hashemashos, so we don't do Melachah for after the nightfall, for sure. Right, because I mean, you just wait and do a little later after the nightfall. Okay, but sometimes they would allow us to do something like for a previous day. So going forward, yes, you can wait. But if you already missed something, it's a very, very important mitzvah. So in many cases, you would be allowed to ask a non-Jew, for example, and in some cases, you would be allowed to do it yourself, but with deviation. Okay.